Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhosle from Asymmetric College of Pharmacy, Damangaon, Nashik. Today I am going to present here Perkins reactions. So let's see first the principle regarding Perkins reaction. Um, in Perkins reaction, condensation has been effected between aromatic aldehyde, and aliphatic acid anhydride. This is aliphatic acid anhydride in the presence of sodium or potassium salt. So this is sodium salt of acetate, potassium salt of acid corresponding to the anhydride to yield alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid. So this is alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid. The acid anhydride should have at least 2 alpha hydrogens. So when you take this acid anhydride, there is C double bond O, there is presence of CH3 and this having the more than 2 alpha hydrogens. So there should be one relation in between this anhydride and the salt. It should be number of carbon should be same, like sodium acetate and acetic anhydride. So both having C double bond O CH3, here also same. So we have to take with the relation to this corresponding. So that's the meaning of this word, acid corresponding to the anhydride. So let's take example for the one example for Perkins reaction. So you take aromatic aldehyde, like this is benzaldehyde. When react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate 170 to 80 degrees centigrade for 5 hours, the product will be obtained. This is alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid. So at this is the beta position, there is a phenyl ring, and another byproduct is the acetic acid. Now this Perkins reaction may be implemented for this, also implemented for the another heterocyclic aldehyde and even for phthalic anhydride. So as there is presence of carbonyl components. Now let's take move for the examples. So these are examples. Let's discuss one by one. Now this is propanol at 1, 2 and 3rd position phenyl. So 3-phenyl propanol when react with acetic anhydride and sodium acetate, it gives this product. So here is the product is obtained. There is CO, here's dienoic acid. 2, 4 adds numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So at 5 position is 5-phenyl pent. Okay, but at pent in, okay, H position is 1, 2, there is a double bond, then 3, 4. So in 2 and 4 position there is what, diene. So pent 2, 4 diene, and is exactly acid, means acid of what, how many numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is pentanoic acid, like this. So pent and noic acid. Similarly, another example is that furfural react with acetic anhydride. Again it gives this final product. This is 1, 2, 3, this is acrylic acid, but at 3rd position there is alpha furyl acrylic acid. Similarly, 3rd example, that is acidic phthalic anhydride when react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate, it gives, this is acetic acid, but this acetic acid, there is at 2nd position there is fuse of phthalate, so that is phthalate acetic acid. So in short, we have just discussed regarding what is principle for Perkins reaction, then what is specialty for Perkins reaction, then how we have to select anhydride and corresponding to that sodium salt of respective acid. Then third, we have discussed 3 examples, okay, ABC. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you.